Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get energy in Viking Rise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you don't know, energy in Viking Rise is what you use to attack neutral camps, beasts, and even participate in events. So keeping it high is key to faster progression, and you can see your energy bar in the top left hand corner. Now there's a few different ways how to get more energy. So now the most common way to get more energy is to just wait for natural energy regeneration. So energy automatically regenerates over time. The max energy cap increases as your chief level rises. So log in frequently to spend energy before it reaches the cap. Wasted energy equals slower growth. And now you also want to keep your energy bar empty often by attacking monsters regularly. Now, the next best way is to use energy potions. So these are called energy items. So you can get energy potions, sometimes called stamina items, that instantly restores your energy. Now, to use them, or find them rather, they are in your inventory. So if we go in and click on your backpack, so you're going to find your energy in here. Now, another thing to get more energy is to complete your daily quests and events. So daily quests, chapter missions, and special events often reward energy items or direct energy refills. So focus on finishing activity-based tasks like building, gathering, and training troops to earn those rewards. Some seasonal events and battle pass rewards also drop those energy items in bulk. So I'm inside my event tab here. So I'm going to go to my event hub and we're going to look at the Conquer the Island. So we can see here, if I go day 2, day 3, you can see these energy buffs here. So recover potion, so restores 500 energy. And what's this other one? So we got recover potion, recovers 100, we get 5 of these. So yeah, these events drop these as well. Also by defeating neutral camps and bosses, so certain neutral enemies and boss battle drop energy restoring items. The drop rate isn't high though, but consistent monster hunting pays off over time. Equip heroes with drop rate or loot bonuses to increase your chance of getting more energy items.